Okay, here's another one that builds upon the previous one. So it's going to be like this. Okay, 2 plucks on the A string, then middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, and then your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the A string. So you're going to start off with, then you're going to go to the 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, 2 plucks, and then you're going to repeat this little piece here where you're going from finger number 2 to finger number 3, and that's finger number 2 at the 3rd fret and finger number 3 at the 4th fret on the A string. So again, it's okay.